Hello everyone, welcome back to another Lolita vlog. For this one, it is just a general daily, everyday sort of Lolita vlog as we transition from winter into spring, so I hope you'll enjoy. So for the first day, I'm going to be fixing some pieces with my friend Becky, and since Becky is more of a gothic leaning Lolita, I decided to pull out my Alice and the Pirates Rosy Masquerade JSK, and because it's still snowy outside, I put on a snowflake cardigan just to really bring the outside in, but this sort of casual style is what I like to wear on regular days. Today is going to be a very productive day. I'm heading over to Becky's house with my pile of things to be repaired, and we're going to hopefully repair a few of them today. Where'd zipper break again? The strap extender is really easy. Do you know how much longer you need? I have no idea, actually.
The Bullet Versailles one was much more easily accessible.
This one? Oh, this one was annoying as well. This was Brokey's zipper, right? Yeah. This one's metal, okay. Oh, thank God, baby's good at something. No, because like if you see this, because I can unpick that. Because what you do is I basically pull it apart and pull it off the thing and then just realign it and then rezip it. Where these little plasticky ones up here, I've never seen those before. And I feel like if I pick them off, I'm not going to be able to put them back on again. For sure. So this one will at least be easier. Does this one also get stuck to waist? Yes. But the waist constricted in there is harder for me to access. Oh, no, it's not. Because the waist on this one's too tight? Yeah.
Easier to just pull it out after that point.
Is there a chance that it's like sewed on the other end too?
Yeah, it is. No, it 100% will be.
Oh, okay.
So that's why I'm undoing both sides here. Because here it's easier. I would just unpick from there. Sometimes I actually just cut the elastic from there. And then cut the elastic from there and then just pull this out and then figure that out after. But it's just because this one is under so many layers, but at least it's not like, I was worried it was buried like in here.
Right?
Yeah, but thank God it's not, because now I don't have to open all of that up.
Yeah.
So I'm just trying to find the spots where it is attached. Because sometimes if you cut close enough to the elastic near the thread, you can actually like rip it.
Yeah.
Because it was technically stitched right about there and there. It's technically stitched there, so the elastic is about that long for that big of a piece. So like no wonder you're having a bad time, because that's getting so taut. Ta-da! Now you have that much more room. And then this is still here, so because if you don't have issues there, that's fine. But this should help alleviate some of the pressure on the zipper there. Especially because there's so much bulk in here that you're having to pull it tight, especially when you're going from the big full skirt to the tight bodice. So, this, do I have time use for?
For coordinate number 2, I'm heading off to Antique. And of course, to go antiquing, I have to wear my Metamorphose Antique Bouquet JSK. I really love this JSK and I think it's absolutely perfect to go antiquing in. It really matches the vintage vibes of the antiques, which I really love. And when I filmed this, it was during a false spring, so everything felt warm and everything was melting, but that doesn't really last. It was a really nice day that day.
That is the prettiest dress.
Oh, thank you.
That cow over there.
For the third coordinate, I'm going to be making some lemon blueberry cupcakes, and I took inspiration from the color palette into this coordinate. I really wanted it to feel like the spring and summer months are finally here, so I wore Baby the Starshine Bright's Cheerful Lemon series, and I paired it with pastel yellow. This is my current favorite color combination, and these sorts of coordinates are my favorite to wear. Just slap on a JSK, a cardigan, and call it done.
Hello! Welcome back to my kitchen. I have my recipe book here, and today we are going to be making this blueberry lemon loaf recipe, but I'm going to be adapting it into my muffin tins just because I cannot find my loaf pan right now. The only thing I really have to change in terms of this recipe is how long the muffins will have to be in the oven. So let's get started. Half of a cup. Just pour in half.
For coordinate number 4, I'll be heading off to the mall to look at the spring mainstream fashion trends. And I'm wearing the JSK that Becky repaired for me. And this is Baby the Starshine Bright Love Heart Kumya embroidery series. It fits so much better now that the elastic is out. I just love that all my blues don't match, and I'm really happy to be wearing this dress again. For the fifth coordinate, it is for a bright spring market, despite the fact that it was actually snowing that day. So this coordinate kind of looked a little out of place. This is a Baby the Stars Shine Bright Thumbelina print. I believe it was one of the more recent ones, and I really love this dress because of the bright pops of spring flowers, and I personally am a big fan of wearing polyester pieces in the wintertime. I really love that the Angelic Pretty Daydream Carnival bonnet really matches this JSK so well.
Hello, back at my house. I don't know what it is about today, but the anxiety is a lot. So I literally only stayed 20 minutes and then left. And I'm giving myself grace because sometimes these things happen. I get too overwhelmed, and I think it's really important to respect myself and just go home. But I did get to see a lot of local vendors, which is very exciting. I'm going to show you guys the things that I got from the market.
From Parkerview Brews, we have Saskatoon Berry Kombucha and limited edition Strawberry Rhubarb Kombucha. Hopefully these will be good. We'll be trying them later on. From Fun Gal Studios, also known as Maybe Katie, I picked up 3 sticker sheets, so these will be really fun to use. From an artist I was really excited to see again was Megan, and I picked up her bolo tie with the quilted pattern and a little ceramic cow magnet. Isn't this magnet just so pretty? And then from Ube Brioche, I picked up a matcha brioche bun. It looks like this. I really love the shape of it, and hopefully it'll be really good.
Wow. Oh, that is so good. I'm gonna try the Saskatoon Berry one on camera. Little ASMR for you. Doesn't really smell like much. Oh, well, that berry taste is very nice. I think I'm gonna like kombucha starting from now. This is really good. So that's gonna be it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next clip.
For coordinate number 6, I am going to be going to the art gallery to look at the new exhibits for this year. I decided to wear Alice in the Pirates memory frame JSK just because of all the frames in it, and I think it just matches the sort of art gallery aesthetic and vibe. It was snowing again this day as well, so I definitely layered up, and the fur beret is just so cute. So this was a pretty comfy casual coordinate. And then for the last corner, I'm going to be doing some spring cleaning. I decided to wear Angelic Pretty's Neon Star Diner, paired it with my favorite pullover, which is the Life is Pain au Chocolat. And I put on the Lolita Collective gingham apron with the matching collar, and I think it's really cute. Though I gotta say the highlight is definitely the socks. It really matches Neon Star Diner so well, and I never thought to have actually paired it with Neon Star Diner in the first place, so I'm glad I did it for this coordinate.
Hello! Come join me while I spring clean my house for today. This portion of this vlog is to really show that Lolita is just clothes and that you can do whatever you want in them. So, on the list of things I have to do today, the first is to vacuum up the floor, run a little wet wipe through the kitchen floor, and I'm probably going to also tackle cleaning the bathtub today as well. Just basic things. So the coordinate today is basic, but it's quite easy to move in. Let's get started with cleaning. So the face bags actually have hooks here, so I'm going to basically hook them and then stick them on the wall like so. Alrighty, all done. That looks pretty good. Thank you very much for joining me in cleaning today. I hope you guys enjoyed this weekly vlog. Let me know what you've been up to lately. As spring is coming around the corner, I am very excited to see what the new season has to offer. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
And that's going to be everything for this video. Thank you very much for watching this vlog. Let me know what you've been up to recently, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!